Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. In my last video, I mentioned an app that I found that I thought was interesting when I was recording a video on the ICE network, which is becoming less and less interesting based on how the developers are handling the situations. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the app that I thought was of interest that I found in my search of other apps similar to the ICE network, and the app that I'm going to talk about is Bondex. So stick around till the very end to see what it's about, what it does, and whether you can benefit from it. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So Bondex is a platform that seems to have launched sometime in the early months of 2022. Here is an announcement on yahoo.com. Now, Yahoo Finance. Bondex announces upcoming platform launch, a Web3 revolution to disrupt online recruitment. And basically what it is, the app is a online recruitment tool. It's meant for people who are working or interested in working in the Web3 world and interested in cryptocurrencies to find jobs online through the app. So this app has been around for a couple of years, I guess, a year and a half or so, and there are plenty of videos on it in the past. I don't know what the app looked like in the past, but this is it right now. So this is a very up-to-date review of the Bondex app that is available right now for download and usage. The first thing you see when you go to the website is Bondex. There are three sections: for talent, for recruiters, and for companies. If you are interested, you can register. If you're interested in finding jobs, then you go for talent. Obviously, if you've got jobs or you want to recruit people, then for recruiters, and for companies if you have jobs to offer. And you can choose one of these three to to satisfy your needs. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about the app itself and basically the app, how it's used for talents. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app on your phone, and once you do, this is what you'll be greeted by. You have to register the same way you register with everything. You add, I think, your phone number. You can register with your email. I don't remember how to register, but just follow it's easy enough. And inside the app, you have the same thing that you have with so many other cloud mining apps, which is the mining of the bond points. Once you're in this app, you have to click this button every 24 hours, and that'll give you, based on how many people you have in your network, you will receive these points. And what these points do is they help you apply for jobs. There is a jobs tab right here, and there is a bunch of jobs that are listed. You can send your applications once you have completed your application, which you do here in the profile section, and you can do that all here. This is my profile, Jack Crypto, and I have some experience, so I completed my profile. It's all available here. Then you can go to Bondex. Oh, look at that, I got 0.5 points. In order to boost and then you can use the Bondex bond points to boost your applications for these jobs. The minimum number of points you need is 1, so that's going to take a while. If you are interested in joining this app, then follow the link. I will copy and paste. I will give you here's the code. Actually, I don't know if you can, maybe you can scan it. Maybe you can scan it right here. If not, in any case, I will post the link below the video so you can check that out. And then you get yourself over here, you fill out your application, and you send the applications to the different jobs that are listed. There are some, and I assume that this app keeps adding them all the time. Most of these jobs are actually all of them are in web development or Web3 development. Principal, Dev, Ops, Engineer, Ethereum, 220,000 a year, which is a hefty, nice little sum. Most of these jobs are in development and technical stuff in crypto. So if you have experience in that and you are looking for work, then this is a good place to be. And I assume that with time, the app, it's going to develop more. So hop on that and get yourself sorted. You can follow them on Twitter. Right here, they've got 227,000 followers, a legitimate app, and you can start looking for jobs on the Bondex app. So once again, if you are interested in this app, this may or may not be for you. I'm not sure. I thought it was kind of interesting, but Bondex will certainly be of value to those who are in the Web3 design sphere and are looking for jobs. So this is something you can use on a quick and hopefully add to your job hunt if you are in need of a job. That's it for this quick little tutorial or review of the app. Whether it's actually a crypto-based app, I'm not sure, but it's certainly crypto related in the sense that it provides opportunities for people working in the cryptocurrency sphere, in the blockchain area, and want to find jobs. So that's the way to do it. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Giddy up!